The statistics on children experiencing violence in Ghana are alarming. Over 94% of children experience physical and psychological abuse. We are also witnessing a disturbing rise in online child sexual exploitation and abuse, with more than 20,000 cases reported last year. Child marriage remains a critical concern. 1 in 6 children is married or in a union before turning 18. Additionally, we have more than 2 million children are engaged in child labor, including 770,000 in the cocoa sector. These figures illustrate a multidimensional crisis encompassing violence, online sexual exploitation, child marriage, labor, trafficking, family separation, birth registration, and mental health and disability inclusion, among others. Given these realities, protecting our children is not just a moral imperative, but a necessity for Ghana's future, human capital, and inclusive growth. However, despite its critical importance, child protection financing remains a major challenge across Ghana and Africa. Our major challenges include severe underfunding, a critically understaffed social service workforce, and a very complex budget tracking. In fact, child protection responsibilities are spread across multiple sectors, including the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection, the police, justice services, local government, the health and education, both national and community levels, making coordination even more very difficult. In 2024, for example, only 0.12% of our total government expenditure, or 0.03% of GDP, was allocated to child protection. Despite an 11% real term increase in the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection budget for 2025, the real term budget for child protection, excluding social protection, has declined by 40% since 2019. This translates to a mere 15 Ghana cedis per child, less than $1, grossly insufficient to deliver necessary services. Equally concerning is our workforce deficit. Only 41% of the minimum required government social services positions are filled. Out of 261 districts, only 4 meet minimum staffing requirements. On average, just 3 social welfare staff serve an entire district, covering population exceeding 100,000. This shortage cripples service delivery. The economic cost of inaction is substantial. In 2019 alone, Ghana lost an estimated $19 million due to violence against women and girls. Fiscal constraints limit recruitment, capacity building, and continuous support, exacerbated by economic challenges, inflation, and the global food and energy crisis. To tackle these challenges, Ghana is implementing several key initiatives, including introducing a coding system to track child protection expenditures. And also, we are reviewing district work plans to enhance accountability and effectiveness. We are also looking at providing annual budget briefs to strengthen social sector financing, as well as advocating for bursary support for social workers. We are also exploring innovative financial mechanisms and fostering private sector partnership, as well as establishing a multi-donor trust fund in collaboration with the World Bank and UNICEF. So the way forward for Ghana, what we are trying to do now is that Ghana is making steady progress, but much more remains to be done. We must turn these efforts into tangible, lasting change by increasing domestic investment in child protection is very, very critical. We also ensuring timely budget execution for critical services, as well as scaling up social workforce training and recruitment in social service sectors. We are also looking at strengthening strategic partnership, particularly in the private sector and international development partners, to develop sustainable financing solutions for child protection. We believe that by prioritizing these actions, we can build a stronger, more effective child protection system in the near future. To end my message, I want to urge all members to take the lead in developing a continental benchmark on the minimum expected government investment in the core child protection services. It is also very important that we enhance the feasibility of child protection funding at both the national and the local levels by establishing identifiable budget lines, very robust tracking mechanisms, and public reporting on child protection spending. We believe that by strengthening collaborations and sharing best practices, we can build a very resilient child protection system that ensures safety and well-being of every child. The time to act is now. Let's secure a better future for the children of Ghana and the children of Africa. Thank you.